guys, in this video I will show you how you can add a link to your Wix website or Wix store. It's really fast and easy, and first of course what you need to do here is to log into your Wix website and select the site that you want to edit and be on editor, and then select the text that you want to basically change it to link. So for example, let it be heading 1. So double click on the words, and as you can see here, all words, all letters should be selected, and then you should see this text settings little pop-up, and here you should see this little paper clip, and it says link, right? So press on it, and then you have a bunch of different things. You can add a link to web address, can be YouTube video or other link. You can link to your other page. You can link to Anchor and do a bunch of different things, but in this example we will use a link to other web address. So select this one, and then you need to paste URL. So let it be, for example, google.com. and also how does it open? So it can be opened when the person click on the link. It can be opened on new window or on current window, and just select what you want and then press done, right? And that's pretty much it, how you can add a link on your Wix website or store. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.